3D documentary-style videos are exploding on YouTube right now. And if you follow this guide step by step, you can also create videos that grab massive attention and even earn between $1,000 to $3,000 a month. And no, this isn't just talk. Just look at the numbers. Creators like Imperial reached almost 400,000 subscribers with only 25 videos. Neo hit nearly 3 million with less than 80 uploads, and Fern skyrocketed past 3.7 million. These results aren't random. They all follow a specific formula that anyone can learn. Their biggest secret? A mix of cinematic 3D visuals and gripping storytelling. These videos look like high-budget documentaries, but here's the best part. You don't need Blender or months of practice to make them. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create stunning, professional-looking 3D documentaries step by step, so you can stand out, grow faster, and build your brand like a pro. Before we start writing the script, it's important to understand the niche. This category focuses on world disasters, political scandals, famous personalities, and both historical and modern events. The range is huge, and the possibilities are endless. I started by asking ChatGPT to find some trending video ideas in this niche. After getting a list of 10 strong ideas, one topic instantly stood out: the man who survived 2 nuclear bombs. It's a true story about a man who lived through both atomic bombings and later fought for recognition. That's the topic I chose to demonstrate the entire process. The next part is creating the video script. Earlier, many creators directly used AI-generated scripts from ChatGPT, but after the new YouTube update, I don't recommend that anymore. YouTube can now detect if your script is fully AI-generated. So the best way is to use ChatGPT only for collecting information, then rewrite the script completely in your own words. Keep the same facts, but change the sentence structure and presentation style. Make it sound human and cinematic, just like the examples from top documentary channels. It takes a little time, but this is the only reliable way to stay original and safe. Once the rewritten script is ready, the next step is to generate the voiceover. Many new creators think AI voices can't be used for monetized YouTube videos, but that's not true. You can absolutely use AI-generated voices as long as the content itself is unique. The tool I recommend is 11 Labs. It's one of the best platforms for realistic AI voices. After signing up, go to the Voices section where you can filter by language, accent, gender, and age. I usually go with an English-American accent, male, and young voice because it sounds clean and professional for educational content. Copy your script part by part and paste it into the dashboard. Adjust the speed, pitch, and similarity to match your tone, then click Generate. Within seconds, you'll get a natural-sounding voiceover. For example, here's how it might sound. Some stories are so incredible they seem impossible. This is the story of a man who survived not 1, but 2 atomic bombings. Just like that, you can generate all the parts of your narration easily. After finishing the voiceover, we move to the most important step: creating 3D visuals for your video. For this, use AI video models like V3 or Kling 2.1. The visuals you create depend entirely on the prompt you use, so I recommend preparing a detailed prompt describing your scene. For example, somber cinematic music, black and white footage of Hiroshima, slow camera pan showing ruins and smoke. To save time, you can also ask ChatGPT to analyze your scene and automatically insert the details into the prompt. Once your prompt is ready, paste it into Kling or V3, select your preferred style, and generate the clip. Within minutes, you'll have cinematic 3D footage ready for your project. When you've generated all the scenes, open CapCut and set the resolution to 16:9, which is perfect for YouTube. Import your voiceovers and video clips, then drag your narration onto the timeline. Remove silent parts from the audio so the flow stays smooth. Go through your script and add markers at the start of each paragraph. This helps align visuals perfectly with the narration. Place your clips in order according to the markers. If any clip feels short, slow it down slightly to match the timing. Once all visuals are placed, it's time to add captions. Captions increase watch time and keep viewers engaged. In CapCut, click on Text, then choose Auto Captions, and let it generate automatically. After that, add transitions between clips. I usually use fade in or cross dissolve for a cinematic look. Add background music using free tracks from Pixabay, Freesound, or YouTube's own audio library. Lower the music volume so it blends softly under your voice. Once everything feels balanced, export the video in 1080p or 4K. So now you know exactly how these stunning 3D commentary documentaries are made. From idea to script, voiceover, and visuals. The only thing left is you taking action. Remember, success doesn't come from watching tutorials. It comes from creating. Start today. And in just a few months, you might be the next creator everyone's talking about. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and drop a comment about what kind of video you want next. And of course, subscribe, because the next video is going to take your editing skills to a whole new level. Until then, keep creating, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.